This is the spot for your luggage. Here is the bathroom. This is one of the kitchens. It has a washer dryer, a microwave, a coffee machine, 2 fridges, and that door does open, but do not leave the door open, otherwise the lizard will come in. There's a TV there. That's our lizard. We feed him. There's his bowl right there. He will move out of the way when you come out into the pond area. This is the garage. You can park in here. This is the gym. It has a lock to unlock the gym equipment, and the lock is upstairs. This is where the fish food is. That's small fish food, and there's a big fish food. Don't overfeed the fish, please. That will kill them. There's a TV there. There's a TV in the granny flat. Here is another bedroom with 3 beds. That window opens. This is the door to go out to feed the lizard. He's got food in both fridges, in the downstairs fridge or the upstairs fridge. There are the beds. There's where you hang your clothes. Anything that is up in the top of the wardrobes is Christmas decorations. Could not fit them anywhere else. Outside in the pool area, this top switch here is the water slide switch, and there's another one upstairs as well. And I will show you how to use the umbrella. Now, this little thing here is very, very important because that's what stops the umbrella from closing. The important part with the umbrella here is that it takes 2 people. When that gets up to the top, it takes 2 people just to line that up. Okay, I won't do all of that right now. Then, when you have it as far as you want to get it, you then take this. I'll let it go to just one chance to let it put itself down. Careful, there are no children there. Now, to get it to stay up, put this in at the height that you want it to stay up, and that will hold it in place. Okay? This, you can take the cover off. So just untie the things at the side and take the cover off. The pool cover, if you put it on at night, it will make sure that the water is warm for the next day. These stairs were just rebuilt, and the steel was so late getting here that although my husband was able to paint every single one of these, he was not able to finish this part. So it's functional and it looks okay, but it needs a second coat up here. Our apologies, but the steel did not arrive on time, as is the case so much here. Oh, this is the barbecue area and upstairs. These stairs have got sand painted into them so that they're non-slip. Please be careful. No standing on the water slide. Those chairs just need a little arranging. There is the thing to put in the pool. You just press that button and put this big guy here into the pool, and that will clean the pool. If you have little kids, this snake lights up, which is very nice at night for little kids. Oops. See, the snake has eyes and lights up, so that's very nice at night. This is the resident dragon. That's That's my husband and I on a better day. Okay, here in the kitchen, we have stove, microwave, coffee, tea, milks, sugar, popcorn, honey. The fridge, if you have any difficulties with the fridge, just press 2 of the buttons and it will reset itself. This is the media room. It has its own aircon because it gets very hot in here. There's the big TV, it's a smart TV. Pretty self-explanatory. There's another sink. Another toilet. We'll just close the window in case it rains this afternoon. This is the aircon. So you press it once, and then you press mode. So you've got cool. Then you press temperature, 20, fan, mode, and so now it's got the living and zone 6. For some reason it's insisting on being on zone 6. So there, if you go zone 2, there we go, zone 6 is turned off now. And now it's working. You can hear it working. Unfortunately, it always works in the bedroom. So I'll turn that off. So you just kind of have to muck around with it until you hear it happening in the big bedroom. The master bedroom is here. So you've got an area that you can sit out at the pond. Lizzie, our lizard, will move out of the way. The master bedroom here has got your hanging space, another TV. The bed is high, but you can just stand on here to get up onto it. Here is the bathroom. You've got 2 showers. Now there is a little piece missing, but it will work nonetheless. So the spa does work. It's just got a little piece missing. This is the walk-in wardrobe that is locked. And there's the balcony out to the front with the views of the creek and the ocean. And in there is my tiny house next door. That is in my neighbor's next door yard. Lots of Canadian Aboriginal art around the house because I'm from Canada. The last thing to show you is this little button here. Turns on that button where it says switch for water feature in hall or whatever it says. And that is that water feature. So that changes color. If you look, it's very cool because you can see the boat underneath. Here are our 3 bins. Green, yellow, and red. Red is for normal rubbish. Yellow is for recyclables, and green is for compost. These go out on a Sunday night. So the green bin goes out every week, and one of the other 2 will go out each week. So if you happen to be here on a Sunday night, could you please just put it on the front lawn there? Thank you. In order to open the garage, there are 2 clickers here in the garage. It's good to leave one here. And the red clicker is for the smaller door, and the blue button is for the bigger door. Enjoy your time here.